Are you dealing with water damage in your home or business? Don't worry, Water Damage Restoration Heroes of Orlando are here to make it all better. Our team of experienced water damage restoration experts is here to provide you with the help you need for any kind of water damage. From the initial inspection to the complete restoration, we have the knowledge and experience to get the job done right the first time. We use state-of-the-art tools and equipment to ensure that your home or business is restored to its original condition. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the best customer service and satisfaction. So don't hesitate, contact Water Damage Restoration Heroes of Orlando today to get your water damage taken care of.